Bawumai, if you want a bigger liar in this country, is Bawumai. Has lied and lied and lied and lied and lied and always lying. He keep on lying here and there. He just speak blah blah blah. When you go there, there's nothing of that sort. With this person, can you trust that person? Unless maybe he change from these very years ahead of him, that maybe he will come out with a new thing that people will start believing in him. Oh, we are going to end this very city. This thing didn't work. The dollar didn't work. We are going to do this. One village, one dam, it didn't work. We are going to give every village one borehole. What is it? Nothing that he said even came to pass. It didn't materialize. So Bawumai, to be frank, let me tell you, if you want a bigger liar in this country, is Bawumai. He's a person that he can lie to you, and when he's speaking to you, you look at his face, he will deceive you. Unless maybe you listen to him behind your listening. If not, he will deceive you.
Teacher training allowances, nursing training allowances, passport application, driver's license, renewal of NHIS, registering a business, cost of electricity, taxes, efficiency of clearing goods at the ports, the right to information bill, the Zongo Development Fund, national ID cards, mobile payment interoperability, digital address system, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, one constituency, one ambulance, free SHS. We are managing the economy better and fulfilling our promises. But as I mentioned earlier, we still have a lot more to do. We still have a lot more to do. But this has just been 2 years. And I will say, we have made a solid start. Support us. Support the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, for us to deliver more.
Free senior high school education. Ghana. Next month, teacher training and nursing training allowances. The planting for food and jobs about fertilizer prices 50% down. So in be one village, one dam, one district, one factory. Ye launching wa ekumfi. So niema pi inshishe no ye di two form na insha Allah obiya be hu ne mfaso. Enti Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo oche mu bonu se oneba obe transformi ye economy no. Ampa oba economy no ehia se transformi. Ye nyina ye benyi ne mfaso. Medamu ase